Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. In a few moments, we will commence our descent to Singapore Changi International Airport.
Where are you going?
Morning guys. So, the hard part is over. Kasi kanina medyo nagkaroon ng delay sa immigration. Kasi si Yaya kinu-question. Ang daming hiningi. May mga COE, ganon. Pero, kompleto naman tayo. So, all good. So, we are waiting for boarding. And, ito yung mga bagahe ko. Ang bibigat. Lagpas 20 kilos. Kailangan natin, unang itinerary natin is Universal Studios for the kids, then Singapore Zoo. So yun pa lang naman. Other days, we can kahit ano.
Time nila to. So, wala tayong wala tayong trompetas, pare. Ano yung trompetas? Ano lang tayo? Baby, come back. Yeah.
Hey, we're going to
Singapore!
We're going to Singapore, guys!
Yay!
So this is us before Singapore.
Let's go.
So, right now, guys, nandito tayo ngayon sa Singapore. And, anong gagawin natin dito, Shops? We're going to Universal
Singapore.
Oop. Panis! Pare, daily driven pare.
Smells good.
Kakain dapat tayo dito sa sa mga hindi pa natin nakakain sa Pilipinas. So, kain muna tayo sa Ding Tai Fung. Minsan sa buhay, sinusubok ka talaga ng mga bata. Pero wala anak mo ay gusto mo iwan. Pero yan yung mga moments na hindi mo pala kayang bayaran. Oras kasama sila. Yung kulit na yan, sobra. Pero ganyan din ako nung bata ako. Sabi, Demi.
I wanna taste this. Is this banana bread? Nasa sa bakery na malapit sa San Fermin.
Sanitary. Ay, anak, letos.
Ayaw mo nagpamahal doon. Mainit kasi. Yung sa mga bakery kasi malamig. May langaw. Dito, mainit lang. Tsaka may view. $15.
Mom, you should try this.
Lasang pabango. Lasang pabango.
Mom.
Legit, lasang pabango. Hey guys!
There's picture.
Say hi!
Picture.
Singapore! Daddy and Aya, hello! Daddy! Here!
Hello!
Aya! Do not touch the water. Aya, hi!
Hi.
Okay.
What did you draw?
What did you wish for? Ay, you cannot say pala your wish kasi it will not come true. Two, one more. 2 and 3.
Day 2.
So guys, this is day 2 of our Singapore trip. And kain muna tayo. Lahat ng tao mainit ang ulo. Lalo si Madam. Madam Dami. Hindi, punta tayo na ng Universal Studio. So punta tayo na Universal Studio and let's give time to the kids.
Finally, only one station away from Universal. Almost 45 minutes din yung train going to our hotel. Pero pwede na. Maganda naman yung train nila dito.
Next stop, Resorts World Station, Singapore's only first integrated family resort.
Welcome to Universal
Studio!
Let's go! Finally, guys, we're here! Minion Land! So guys, we availed the express, kaya ang bilis natin makapasok. Yes, look at the line, sobrang haba. We're here na, guys! So, we are here. First ride is Minion Mayhem. Pwede daw si Shobe, though hindi umabot yung height niya. So, sa stationary seat lang tayo. Si Aya and si Daddy dun sa moving seat. Gusto ko dun sa moving seat eh. It's okay. So guys, this part of Universal Singapore is memorable sa amin ni Mark kasi first country natin was Singapore. College pa ba tayo?
Hindi.
After graduating. So first country, Singapore. First away na almost break up, Singapore. Tapos I remember may picture kami dito, lalagay na lang namin dito.
Hanapin natin kung mahanap natin yun. So ngayon, the mommy, ay dati the mommy, ngayon the mommy na ngayon. So kasama namin si mommy.
Galing, nakakatawa.
So talaga ka rin.
Ay, pwede na.
Can I see?
Stand properly, stand properly.
Guys! Mukhang pwede na si
Pwede na, oh. Pwede.
Nakating legs na, wala kating
Tol
legs.
na, tol.
Bata pa lang, Pinoy na pare. Meeting live, pare. Palaban na naman si Transformer.
Talk to the camera. Okay.
A little bit scared?
Why? Decepticons, ha? Okay?
Papalaban to, boy. Papalaban.
Aya.
That's actually it. I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, we actually beat Megatron. How?
So guys, this is day 2.
This is the highlight of our trip, the reason why we went to Singapore for Universal Studios!
Yay!
Yay! Let's go!
I think you're not happy. Yay! What's the energy, guys? Let's go!
Let's go!
Let's go!
I'm still not giving up for the
Hey!
second. Thank you! Yeah! Okay. So this is the mukbang of the turkey leg. Let's try it. Where's the heart? How about you guys? Come on. Bite, take a bite. Ayaw you want?
Siya kanina.
Jobe.
O, this is Shobe. Bibili kami ng unicorn.
Kasi?
Kasi naiwan siya eh.
Oo, naman.
Kawawa naman.
Oh. Oh.
Tinakasan siya ng mami at aya niya eh. Ha?
Oh, you have 3 coins.
What?
Yung biggie coin.
What? Yung big? Ayaw na ng small. Gusto daw ng big. I never imagined na magbuhat ng ganito. Ang bigat!
Something useful dapat. Ito, useful. Oh, inuminan. Cute.
Ay, Maddie. Bye-bye.
Wow. What's that? Wow. Did the show?
Right?
Wow.
Go. Okay, go.
There's a party in the time.
Okay, come on. We'll pay for it.
Yay! I pay for it.
Mga 15 years ago, ako'y lagi nagpapabili ng ganyan. So ngayon, mga anak ko naman mabibilan. Ako si, Bill Moco eh. Bill Moco. Uy! Oh yeah, do not open it.
Not yet. You cannot open pa, ha?
Guys, there's a question. Are you happy, guys? I have a question. Are you happy?
Yeah!
Super?
Yeah.
How about you? Are you happy, girl? Show them your happy face. I'll see you on the next vlog. Say it.
I'll go. See you on the next vlog.
We're running late. We're not sure kung makakapasok mo tayo.
It's Filipino time, not Singaporean time.
Hello! 12 na. Hindi pa rin kami nakakarating. Nakahanda na yung script ko mamaya in case hindi tayo papasukan.
Simple rule, you can take videos, you can take photos, just turn off the flash. Okay. And no food and drink inside. So you want to drink something, come out. You want to go to the washroom, just flash. Okay. Anytime you can just re-enter. Okay.
It's a little dark inside.
Mom, bakit balikat sa ako?
Ayun, Hey, madam. Go. Oink.
Okay. Nagmatamis na naman ng mga bata. So, adrenaline rush na naman.
Second itinerary for today. The patience is ano na lang, 3%.
Power saver ba? Power saver.
So guys, we are here at Skyline. I don't know kung paano i-pronounce. Luge, I don't know. Pero ano, parang Mario Kart siya. So perfect kay Mati kasi gusto niya to. Event si Shobe. So let's do this. Something adventurous. So, Aya Mati, wait! Sinong sasama kay Shobe? Ikaw na. Ah, sige, so ikaw ang kasama niya. Aya Mati, they are asking, you can have your own car or we can be together. Pero I suggest you can drive your own car para you can enjoy.
How are you, baby?
Baby daw.
Okay? Okay?
Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I shoot my shot and it go when you know it's flawless. Look at me ballin', look at me ballin'. I gave my number to the bag and now it's calling. And it really ain't no pressure, I can do my thing forever. Say they good but I be better and that's game. I be switching like whenever y'all just texting, I'm the header. I get bread like a shredder, ain't a thing. Tryna get my range up, not be famous. From the hood, so can you blame us? I need my change up. I've been running out of favors, I can't save them. Hit my line and I might hang up. I can't save her. Where you at with it? Can't be average. In my bag with it. Can you handle it? They be trying to stop me. I look up and I look down and I see only me.
Sorry, I follow the rules. If it slow down, I really slow down.
Dad, fast.
Yeah, he doesn't follow.
That's what I mean.
Oh!
Habang nandito kami sa taas, overlooking all of Singapore,
bigla akong natahimik. Narealize ko, grabe, ang bilis pala talaga ng oras, no? Parang kahapon lang, hirap na hirap akong magpa-breastfeed sa 2 bulinggit na to. Pero ngayon, ito na kami, enjoying the view, holding their hands a little tighter habang nakatingin sa napakagandang view na to. Narealize ko din na sa dami ng ginagawa ko sa buhay, work, business, goals, and personal dreams, madalas nakakalimutan kong huminto, kumurap, at namnamin yung mga ganitong sandali. But up here, with my family, with my kids, parang na-remind ako na time is the most precious gift. Hindi siya bumabalik, kaya kailangan nating sulitin. Someday, hindi na sila ganito kalambing. Hindi na sila ganito ka-excited to ride with mommy. So for now, I'm holding on to this moment. This view is beautiful, pero mas maganda pa rin yung feeling na buo kami. Kaming apat. Laughing, screaming, living, collecting memories that last longer than time. If only life could slow down like this, right? Pero since hindi naman pwede, I'll just choose to remember today. Because these are the days I'll miss someday.
Morning, guys.
Morning.
Day 4.
Day 4, yeah.
We're gonna go shopping, guys.
Day
Yeah,
5.
wala tayong shoes.
Sinadya. Shopping din.
Our last day. Tomorrow is our last day.
Hi, guys. Since hindi tayo nakapag-Japan, pag-New Yoshinoya na lang tayo dito sa Singapore.
Hindi kasi siya, na-deny kasi siya. Kami meron. Oh, here, look kayo here, guys. Maya! Chabel!
Okay. Tingnan natin kung ano. Itong kaligayahan na itong maglalas until
Hi guys!
Where are we going?
We're going to the zoo!
We are here at Singapore Zoo! So ito yung pinaka-entrance. Pupunta na kami sa mga animals. Are you guys excited?
Yeah!
Okay, let's go guys!
I can't wait to see us! I like one!
So guys, one lifesaver nung nag-Universal kami is yung rental na stroller. So gawin na rin natin yun ngayon kasi mukhang malaki yung zoo. Let's go. Better na tigisan na lang sila kesa mamblema tayo mag-away sila. Buti na lang, hindi ako nag-workout today. Ano pala to? Cardio day pala today. Shobe, 17 kilos ka kaya po. Kaya you cannot, ride down the stroller because you're too big.
Too big?
Yes. Ayan pa, oh.
What's that?
Another hippo. Oo nga, doing nga eh. Nagpapalamig-lamig lang siya.
Uy, National Geographic, so. Huh? National Geographic, so. Pero maglakad kapag bago yung kangaroo. There's a kangaroo character. Diba? There's a character in Tekken. Meron na. Sa Tekken, si kangaroo. Yeah, but all that do is just, box. Ayun po, oh! So guys, dito tayo sa monkey area. And, ano siya? Baboons. Ayun, di mo makita? Ito, look straight. Look straight ka lang. Ayan po talaga siya, oh. Hindi pa din?
Nawat na yan, mama. Ah, no!
Ayun na, nakita mo na.
Yeah.
Hindi, ito po. Itong lolo.
No! Yan ang hot stone, no? See?
Ito hindi. Ito pong sa falls, tapos ito po. Sa edge ng stone. You see? Meron silang Aya. Since lolo na siya, meron siyang special diet.
Special diet.
Because may arthritis na daw siya.
Arthritis.
Masakit na yung legs niya kasi lolo na siya. Meron siyang vitamins din daw.
Elephant yoga is daily.
He does elephant yoga.
Vocal command. We guide Kumari through different yoga poses. These exercises.
Hello, we're waiting for the last show here in Singapore Zoo. Hindi kami nakapag-feeding kanina kasi gutom na yung tao. Kami na yung kailangan mag-feed. So, di namin napafeed yung elephant. So, this is the last show. We're waiting for it. Go, you say something. What can you say about the water show? You tell Tito Thursday. What happened to the water show?
So this is the bus, and now it's by sauce, and then it's Tito.
So sabi, inirenak niya yung show, guys. Intindihin niyo na lang. So nag-go down yung sea lion. Tapos binasa ka po. Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, say very good.
Very good.
Like this. Thumbs up, Tito Thursday.
Guys, we're going home.
Bye.
Bye.
Sabi, bye?
Bye.
May pahabol na activity pala tayo, guys. River Cruise Laser Show Kenemero.
Bus.
Sulitin na natin. Bilang masama ang loob niya. Charot.
I've been to Singapore before, pero this time, parang iba. Parang nakita ko siya ulit for the very first time. Maybe because this time, I wasn't just a tourist. I was a mom, seeing the world through my kids' eyes. Yung skyline na dating parang okay lang naman, biglang naging sobrang breathtaking. Yung MRT na honestly nakakatamad talaga, pero ngayon naging ride of excitement namin as a family. Yung mga lugar na dating familiar, naging magical ulit because they were discovering it for the first time. And that's when I realized Singapore is truly one of the best places for families. Safe, clean, organized, kid-friendly in every corner. Universal Studios, the Zoo, Gardens by the Bay, Sentosa, lahat madaling puntahan, lahat may pangbata, at lahat may pangmagulang din. Even the small things like the walkways, the train stations, the people, all made us feel like this city was built with families in mind. And yes, sa totoo lang, traveling with kids isn't easy. Nakakapagod, may iyakan, may awayan, may kulitan. Pero sa bawat tawa ng kids, sa bawat hiyaw ng, "Mommy, look!" Sa bawat halik, sa bawat hugs, naaalala namin why we do this. Trips like this remind us that childhood is short, time moves fast, and the world becomes more beautiful when you explore it with your kids. So after seeing Singapore again for the first time, we're leaving with full hearts, beautiful memories, and one exciting question. Saan kaya ang next destination namin?
Okay, let's ask each other. Which one is your favorite activity sa whole Singapore trip natin? Aya first.
The racing.
Oh, yeah, maganda nga yun. The skyline.
Yeah.
Actually, I like that too. Okay, mine is Team Lab because it's so interactive and the drawing, it's cool. And the airplane. Yeah. How about you, Shobe? Which one is your favorite destination?
Ako, feeling, doctor.
Hindi related yung answer niya. Shobe! Di ba we're here in Singapore? What did you do that you like the most?
I want being doctor. No!
Gusto niya talaga maging doctor, guys. At least yun yung goal niya in life. No, I mean what... Okay, I will give you options.
Zoo.
Which one is your favorite?
Zoo.
Wait lang. Ito naman, si Diktador. What activity did you like, Shobe? 1, the Minion Land. 2, the drawing. 3, the racing.
Last night I am a baby.
Walang kinakapuntaan kong conversation natin kay Shobe. Shobe, I'm asking, who is your favorite character in Minion Land?
Daddy.
Icon.
The unicorn! Finally, may tumugba rin sa lahat. Favorite mo kasi nakakuha ka ng unicorn?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. How about si Daddy? Which one is your favorite destination?
Lahat.
Wow!
Kasi, kasama ko kayo.
Wow! For the cloud talaga yung answeran nito eh.
Diba?
Kahit na lagi siyang galit the whole trip, guys.
Hindi. Makita niyo naman sa mga video, siyang galit. Hindi ako.
Who's the more galit? Daddy or mommy? Oh.
Talaga?
Si Nani.
Oh, see? Diba, Bobs?
Daddy.
For the partner, diba?
So you guys enjoyed naman?
High five.
Yeah.
You're my partner, diba?
Yeah. Mom, Daddy shouts first before you, diba?
Oh.
Ano daw?
Again.
Daddy shouts first before you, diba?
Oh. You shouts first daw before me. Okay, Aya Mati has a revelation. What is it? You tell them.
No. The cell phone of Dad, he always he got me that the whole trip. And I saw him do that there too.
Huh? I'm not using my phone. As you can see.
Oh no.
I'm not using on my
I think I have to agree. But Daddy kasi is working, diba? While we are on the trip, he needs to work pa din, diba? So that we can pay for the trip, diba? Oh, sinalipa kita dyan, ha?
Diba?
Kung hindi.
Sabi nga nila, habang nasa bakasyon, dapat may transaksyon.
Oh my God. Oh, what else ang observation mo po, Aya? Sige. Tell the whole truth. What else did you notice? Me, I noticed in this trip, si Aya really tested our patience.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
And I realized si Shobe...
In fairness sa mga kids, hindi sila yung nagmumuryot.
Ano, hindi ba?
Anong klase mo? Hindi po
Hindi, ibig sabihin, go lang sila sa lakad.
Totoo naman. Like the whole activities, they enjoy. Pero grabe lang talaga yung pagkukulit. Yeah. Pero si Shobe, I realized that very good si Shobe.
Sobra.
As long as my food and gummies. Yan ang kanyang she's really good. Si Aya naman, sobrang kulit lang talaga. Yun lang talaga.
Sobra, hindi siya mapakali. Parang may ADHD.
Super.
Do you have ba?
Pero you're so happy naman. It's because he's having fun now.
Hindi, kanina nakaupo kami dalawa. Tapos he asked me a question. Dad, I'm so bored naman. Sabi ko, you need to rest. Sabi ko sa kanya, ako pagod na nga eh.
He wants to move and move all the time. I don't know if they know that Singapore is not really our destination, diba? We were supposed to go to Japan nung mismong Halloween in Disneyland, but unfortunately, Daddy's visa got cancelled. That's why nag-Singapore na lang tayo instead. So, you think mas okay naman na sa Singapore na lang tayo than Japan?
Next time na lang ng Singapore. I'm in Japan.
May next time pa, Dad. Kung maaprubahan ang ating financer. I agree. Okay. Say bye-bye to the vlog. Say see you sa next travel vlog.
See you in the next travel vlog.
Bye!
Bye! See you on next vlog. Hey!